What happened?
So it's time like this. I feel like
Oh, it is on!
You little pouchy cheek! I'll kill you!
You monster!
Looks like we're gonna do this the hard way.
No matter what happens, stay down.
Lena, what are you doing?
away from me.
I can explain.
All your little stuff did was buy them time.
Please, please.
Next season, but you won't.
Well, what's this? Another one of your little bird tricks? Are there a bunch of little girls in this one too? Hello, girls!
Help me! Don't let the monster eat me!
Brutality.